Nice, that light. First pole, a rivet from the bridge and a bit of metal. How's that, John? Is that right? A bit of metal? You got to be on it.
I've got no glove.
John, today, he's a bit pissed.
Shut up.
Because he's had half a pint.
Oh, thanks. What are you filming then? Dickhead Central. What? I ain't got nothing done
Don't be
yet.
rude, John.
John,
No
John,
need to be rude.
Whatever
Just
you've got to put on
we
there,
can't put the footage out. If
we've
you're
got to
rude.
use the footage. We need an extra video for next week.
We're in Birmingham. Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
we
You
need
can
one
put that out the
before
week
that.
after, can't you? You put that out the week after, but you've got one under your belt. So you might as well take this opportunity to do a second vid, part 2. Yeah?
Right.
Part 2 after a beer. And then they can see
what we call it.
yeah, part 2 after a beer.
Right,
They see
okay.
the difference, trust me. Right, what truck is
Right,
this number?
come here, Brian. Come here. Move it. Over here.
Move in.
Right, we're going to have another go for the
Oh.
same day, but we're having a second go.
Part 2
Part 2.
after the pub. Before the pub was alright. This one could be a bit sketchy.
Well, Wizzy, oh sorry, not Wizzy, John. You can check him out as Wizzy on the other channel. Right, anyway, what we'll do,
There he is. There he is. He's hiding.
right, Wizzy is in charge of the camera.
Cameraman, come on.
Go.
Come on, cameraman. Are you ready? Come on, John.
Let's go.
Yeah, all the ammo comes out on the first hole, doesn't it? I've yet to find a bullet.
Smile on the way past for the camera, please. Anyway, this is what we found on my first pole. I don't know whether it's a bit of wire or something. Just loads of bits of metal.
I can smell.
Fire.
Yeah, I can smell that. Well, it ain't the hinges on your wallet, is it, at the pub?
You didn't want none, that's all. I will give him one thing, Brian.
He comes.
He's on
Oh.
wallet.
Oh,
He's normally pretty good.
what have I got here? Ah, look, I got a find.
It's got a
Look at that.
spanner.
A spanner, adjustable spanner.
Right, we've got a piece of metal. And we've got a nail.
Double video.
Right, and we've got a load of metal.
Got a rivet from the bridge. What else? A bracket. Rusty bracket. Rivet. And that's it.
Metal bar.
We got a bridge rivet, red, although the bridge isn't red at the moment.
It's green.
Piece of metal, and another piece, just rusty, random metal.
I have got a bridge bolt.
We got let me turn you round here, hang on, so you can see what we're doing. We got a rivet. Can you see that? There you go. Oh, 2 rivets. Another one there.
And then
3 rivets. Another rivet.
Right, guys, we've got another load of rivets. And we've got a metal thing. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bridge rivets.
Really, John. John, pull your trousers up now. Oh look, I've got five. Hang on, I think I've found the 400. Winner gets it all. Come on. Oh, hang on, what's in between?
I don't know.
What is it?
I wanted something to explain.
A nut.
Well, guys, I think we've found the chopper.
I'll dish you down so you can actually see the action as we go. There you go, folks.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I am stuck, I think.
Can't leave it too late.
What?
But can't down the canal. Night fishing.
We're
We're going night fishing.
John, we've got a light. You can see it on top of the camera.
Right, where are we? Alright, we got a bridge rivet, 2 bridge rivets,
Rivet.
piece of metal, and the next throw with the 800 is for Jerd, subscriber.
Well, we've got this one. Right then, guys, my next throw, Sue Stephen.
So that's Jerd versus Sue. Yeah? You gonna go for it?
That's what we've done.
Oh, come on. Jerd, I'm sorry. Come off of it.
Right,
I would have
Sue,
won.
this is what we had for you, for your ball. There's loads of stuff on here, loads of stuff. Bear in mind, I am using a 360, and Brian is using a 800.
Jerd, I'm sorry. I only got this off of this. That's alright, run over them. Fine.
I thought they were electrical.
I know, they're okay.
You might get a shot, that's all.
It's only him that's got sparked. We're going to do pound for pound. Who gets the biggest find next throw? Pound for pound. You got your pound?
I ain't got a pound.
I
I ain't got no pound coins, I have to do credit.
You got to get your pound out. John,
I've only got,
Come on.
I've
Get
only
your
got
pound.
my evolution, he's got his 300. I think a bit unfair really, but
Right, 400x against,
evolution.
let's see, pound for pound. Ready? He's going to owe me a pound. Yeah.
Hang on, you
didn't
come
expect
across
that,
my
did
road.
You didn't expect that, did you? I was going for that. Right.
Oh, hang on, I
Ready?
can't pull it.
Biggest fine.
I'm
Heaviest fine.
stuck, I'm stuck already.
Heaviest fine. I ain't got nothing.
No,
I ain't got nothing yet.
no,
I
no,
can't feel
right.
anything.
I ain't got nothing.
I'm getting worried now.
Hang on, I'll wait 10 minutes in my head. I'll get that.
Hang on. No, I ain't got it.
No,
What you got? What you got on there, though?
a few bolts and
Oh. But not as much as that.
hang on, what you got there?
400.
It's
Hang
furry
on,
though.
hang on.
It's furry.
It's a furry one. We think Orville might have been killed. Dumped in the canal. Right, hang on. What's your biggest bit?
A
rivet.
Away now.
A rivet. My biggest, my heaviest find's a rivet.
Probably mine as well.
Where is it though?
Over there.
Well, you've lost. You owe me a pound.
Oh, we'll give it another go. Come on.
Right, you want to go again?
One more time.
Put it in the bag. The scrap man.
Yeah, in the bag. Thank God for Liam. That's all we can say.
Pound for this.
All this.
Pound. Who's gonna? Oh.
I think I've just got a fiver.
Biggest fine.
Ready? Put it on the
Hang
floor.
we better
Put it
this-
on the
there
floor.
you go. Hang on. We might as well let people
On
see it.
the floor.
Let people see the embarrassment, John.
On the floor. We're off. He got his bike.
Thank you.
I've
Got anything good, yeah?
No.
Earlier on we did. Earlier
This
on.
rust
Yeah,
and
well,
shit.
We've had we had a Rolex the other day. Yeah, we've had a few machetes and things like that earlier on.
There's a lot of weapons.
Oh yeah, look. Come here. That's my bag. That's it.
Oh, you found my machete? You got to be careful, like, kind of whatever you find, like weapons and stuff, like having a kid in
That's a good place. Oh, no, you don't know. It's in there. No. Bring it back. What the fuck is it called? I don't know. Left.
Oh yes. Sorry, hang on.
Get the blue bag. Get the blue bag.
How's that come out?
Because you pulled the wrong bag out, didn't you? Oh, mate, that's naughty, isn't it?
Today, man, you got to watch it. Now change the laws as well, innit?
Hang on. You alright for crazy,
Naughty, innit? Like proper naughty. You know, but everyone always asks what you
Loved in here somewhere.
I'm just going home now.
yeah.
Oh, you finished for the day.
That must be crazy, though, man. There must be so much shit on there.
Ah, the shit that's in there, man. It's unreal. It's lucky dip. It's literally lucky dip.
Still, like,
Without paying at the fair.
yeah, you're right.
Give me gloves on.
Get the camera on.
I've got to go home.
Right, cameraman. What are you doing?
I'm locking
You better be on the camera.
Should we do the camera for you?
Nah, that's alright, sir.
Do you want it set up?
It's
Is it son and father?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. I've got to get you a pair of gloves then. You can't get out of this. Hang on.
right, if you roll on to
You
it,
got
like
to
that, about probably there,
Hang on, John.
and then basically...
Wait a minute, let me get him a pair of gloves.
We're not going anywhere, yeah?
Anywhere you want, right, just as far as you can.
Right, if you pull any out like I'm
And put it back in. Slowly. You've got some more guys, you never know.
Get it
Brian,
down.
spot, Carol.
Yeah, quite a little Rolex in there.
Well, we had a Rolex the other day, so... We don't know if it's real. There's the clock. Yeah. And there's some more ones in my bag. I've got one magnet. Come on, do you want to go as well? Come on. You might as well have a go, won't you? You know you will.
Yeah, quite.
I don't know how many pairs you've got in your hands.
I've got a bit of
What's he found?
family. I've got dildo.
No, we had one there before. But this is what he pulled out on his first pull. Get away. This is what he's pulled out on his first pull. It looks like it's a load of
Yeah, go for it.
What is it?
Try not to hit the roof.
rivets, for starters.
Oh, really?
And you're feel,
yeah.
gently, you feel.
And another rivet.
Yeah.
Feeling on the road.
And really, just a load of rust.
And that's it.
Describe it. Just let someone do it. You can feel it. You know what I mean?
The difference between the magnet that he's using and what you're using is a lot. Never mind.
What are we doing with these?
You can keep them or you can throw them away or you drop them in one of the bags and chuck it.
We had to
I
bring the
normally
boat all
bring
the way
a
down
couple
from
of
Leeds.
extra ropes with me so people can have a go, you know what I mean?
But the difference between us and everyone else is
Journey, only
like what we do is we arrange the strap man to take the water away. Yes.
Gently lift it.
Okay, I'm left-handed. So
Okay, so go on it.
Pull it. You get what I mean? Just jerk on it.
Hang on, we've got to try and get her in here.
John, get the camera down
Alright,
here.
so
Hang on, I'm getting it here first.
I have something.
Right,
Right, whereabouts am I throwing it from? Here?
anywhere you want.
Alright.
Good luck, good luck, good
Fling
luck.
it out.
Cheers.
Yeah, just throw it as far as you can.
Oh wow. Pull it back in.
That's an 800k magnet. The one you're using. 400 a side. Bigger magnet.
Yeah.
You get what I mean? You start off as a hobby like this, and you end up spending 200, 300.
Good?
You got,
Everything good?
Right.
you've got a rivet,
Oh, another rivet.
another rivet.
You went the same spot as me.
Yeah, I need to
Yeah, but you'd be surprised.
Normally, if you get on something big, you can feel whether it's turning over.
Another
you know,
rivet.
whether it's flapping
Got loads of
or-
nails.
So when you pull it out,
Oh,
you feel
no.
something that's on there.
That's
It's
so-
so strong, no matter how hard you pull it, it won't come off.
Once it is to the fence, right?
Yeah.
bring the fence
Listen,
down.
I said that, you'll never pull it off.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like it on the boat.
This, there you go, that's what she found. Plus a couple of rivets. Right.
Oh wow. Brilliant.
Thank you. Right, do you want another go?
Yeah, I'll try it, go. You know what, I might just take this line.
Go on, good luck.
Go on then.
Here's that.
No, no, no.
Flat out wide. Get too big on
Well, not being funny, right? The best place is up here.
you realise
Because they fly over the hood.
Boy, it's already stuck with it.
Oh, you better pull up.
as far as you
Go on,
can.
mate.
Yeah.
Do it as if you're going to hit the wall, kind of thing.
Good workout.
I'll tell you what, that one is.
This one, this one.
Can I cross it? Is it
Yeah,
okay?
go on, go.
Yeah, you go for it.
Anyone thinks you had some strength or something, guys? Come on. What's your name?
Hannah.
Oh, we've got Hannah this time.
Whoa, yes, I'm going to take measure. Yes.
Yeah, this is what Hannah pulled out this time. She's pulled out a tape measure. It's a broken tape measure because the end's gone.
Oh. Thanks so much for letting us have a go.
And once you throw a magnet, you know you get that feel. Something's coming. Sort of like addictive. Like,
It's so
like
good.
fairground, do you want to put another pound?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But unfortunately,
You go up and down, just
we don't even
Yeah.
He comes to collect all that scrap. I'll give you a card.
I've got one.
I've got my phone cards. We'll definitely give you a follow. Yeah, you do your little days.
What we do is come and what they do.
That'd be fun.
You get extra magnets. So
Everyone's on
the
the
magnets,
go.
they do it for you. I sell it because I enjoy it. And anything you
Yeah, we'll come in on. It's on my level with now anyway, so
it's all good. Just
Yeah, thanks very much for letting me have a go, man.
no worries.
We'll probably see you around. Let's say I'm on the boat, so
Oh, yeah,
yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm coming this way, so
What's happening now?
yeah.
How are you finding it? Are you living on there?
Yeah,
full
I
time?
live on there, yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it.
Would you go back? What were your basic?
One day, but like at the moment, I've got no reason to. I love it.
You look at the videos.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Got back on the road. We've got another scaffold clip. Lots of bit of metal. Oh no! Hang on, we got to do it. Pull the rope tight.
Go and get a bridge.
Brian has got a little stuck to the bridge. I think I've got it in line. He's a bit stuck to the bridge. He got stuck. People, if you can see. Woohoo! He got it off, luckily. Well, guys, we pulled out this bit. More bits of metal and everything.
Man, you're dying.
Oh, yeah, a hook.
Got a scaffold clamp. If you can see that.
Excuse me, can you move your foot?
And in the bin.
You're in this foot. That's been it, Paul.
Trying to get the sign off there.
What?
Trying to get the sign off.
Oh, fuck.
I missed it.
Brian stuck to the sign on the bridge.
And the light.
And the light. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? We've pulled up an elbow.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll
so
give
you've got
you-
tape.
he'll give you
oh,
a
it's
card.
a tape measure.
That's what he
That's
found.
a tape measure.
That's what he just pulled up. Have a look on
Looking for?
YouTube and subscribe.
Anything.
Right?
Done.
You're looking for tools, knives, and
Anything. The problem with that knife today already.
Seems mad, I know.
stuff.
But if you're interested in finding what we find, have a look on YouTube
Okay, well, I will do.
and subscribe.
My
Right?
partner
Then
does all
you-
that YouTube shite for hours.
No,
doesn't he?
Right, Brian pulled out a tape measure.
So you get different clientele in the evening. Much more our friends for it. Get your friend back.
Brian said telling John he gets a better clientele in the evening.
Oh,
Right, there you go. We've got another piece of metal. He's stuck to the bridge yet again. Yet again, guys. Let's see if he can pull it off.
You'll get wet before I do, wouldn't you? There's someone up there.
There's a rope. There's a rope.
See if we Ow, some wheel, I tell you. No.
What you done?
Broke me magnet.
We have a
magnets.
bike, Bill.
he smashed a massive gap.
Smashed it.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Send it back.
Show on the camera.
Off for a refund.
Oh dear.
His magnet is cracked in half.
My magnet store's magnet now to carry on because the online magnets is broken. Very sad.
There you go, guys. That's our next little bit.
Right, fucking hell, get on this, quick. John, get in there.
One's magnet.
Can you show that to the camera, John, please?
Pick it up, Ryan, what is it?
It's
A piece of plate.
it's
Steel plate.
it's a bit of metal with holes in.
What is it? At least a 4-inch thick.
Yeah. There we go, 4-inch thick steel. Yeah, one more throw.
It's getting a bit dark. Yeah, I've got to get back. Right, guys, that is my last throw. And Brian's done his last throw as well.
Alright, we got this. We got a couple of rivets on there and some rust and metal. Right, one more go on the light, go on.
Right then, John is telling us it's time to go home, so I better put this away.
He's getting scared because the bats are coming out.
He's getting scared of the dark.
Look. Oh no, didn't want to get behind that, do I?
Well, we have got a win.
He's stuck.
Oh shit.
We don't need this as the last throw, do we?
No, we don't. Hang
John,
on,
it's your
let me put
fault.
this
You
away.
told me to get there.
Go on.
Get off. Right, come off there.
Got it off.
I was getting worried, yeah, that wasn't moving.
Right then, guys. Anyway, that's it for now. Of our little night session. Don't know if Brian wants to get in here somewhere.
Just folding up the magnets. Ready to go.
And that's it. That's our little night session tonight. Anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, please like and subscribe. We're getting close to our 500. We need to get over it. Come on, guys.
And then we can do lives.
Right, cheers. See you later.